Hello everybody, this is Anja and this video is about the Gospels of Thomas and Mary Magdalene. It's more an introduction because I had long Zoom discussions with Dr. Raymond Keller, the author of this book. This is the English version that's already published, and I'm now working on the German translation. I feel very humble when I think of the content and the impact and the energy of this message that is in the book. Uploading videos that are not really edited and that take 3 hours is nowadays something that is kind of either crazy or you don't do it at all. You know, normally you either edit stuff and sit there maybe for days or for hours. If you're not a professional video editor, of course, you sit there for a long time cutting and editing and everything. But I kind of decided right away that I'm going to publish it. And no matter how many people are going to watch it, even if it's just one person that feels the interest to dive into it. And I tell you that it is worth it because of course, it may seem sometimes a little outdated, you know, the language and the way some things are described and everything. It's kind of a little old, yes, old-fashioned. But the core message is so deep and is so pure, and it contains so much divinity that it's not possible to explain it in simple words, and it cannot be conveyed within an instant or in a fast shorty or in a TikTok video also, because it kind of really requires deep listening, deep reading, deep studying, rereading, contemplating, meditating. But the advantage nowadays is that everything goes faster. We have such an acceleration of frequency and of consciousness. I feel it's valuable content. So if you want to take the time, please enjoy. Sending my love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.